Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Jazz tail light bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition and lights are completely off before starting any work. This prevents electrical issues and ensures your safety. Knowing which bulb is out, like a brake or turn signal, will help you get the right replacement. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your Honda Jazz's tailgate to reveal the cargo area. Inside the boot, you'll find a small plastic access panel, usually near the tail light assembly. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the notch on this panel. Gently pry it open to expose the back of the tail light unit. This panel is designed for easy removal. With the access panel removed, you'll see the back of the tail light assembly. Identify the bulb holder for the faulty light. Rotate this holder 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it straight out. The old bulb can now be pulled directly from its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the holder. Avoid touching the glass with bare hands to prevent oil transfer. To finish up, carefully reinsert the bulb holder into the tail light assembly. Rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Then, clip the plastic access panel back onto the boot interior, ensuring it sits flush. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions, including brake, reverse, and turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.